On the tracks, everything looks under control, until it isn't. A missed signal, a sudden failure, and in seconds, chaos takes over. These real train accidents reveal the harsh reality of rail travel. Caught on camera, impossible to forget. This is Daily Cam TV.
SUV with the trailer got stuck on the tracks, and then suddenly, boom! The good news? The driver got out just in time, so no one was hurt.
Твою су... Да вылазь, блядь! Пиз...
Oh my gosh, he just narrowly avoided a fatal blow. One more second and it would have been a completely different story.
A bus broke down right on a crossing, but luckily the driver was waiting for help outside.
Wow, I can't believe it. This truck driver is truly calm. If it weren't for his decisive, things could have turned out much worse. The screeching sound of metal, the shattering of glass. A head-on collision between a locomotive and a car. It's just a simulation, but a chilling reminder of the consequences of ignoring railroad safety laws.
Unfortunately, there isn't much information available about this train crash. If we had to guess, the truck driver bottomed out when his GPS took him over the tracks.
When a train collides with a semi-truck, the train always wins.
Luckily, the driver was not inside the vehicle. The driver can say goodbye to their insurance and face a penalty for parking illegally.
A guy with a trailer makes a fatal mistake driving onto the tracks. Fortunately, only the trailer got damaged.
Can you imagine? It was the quick reflexes of a 23-year-old driver in evacuating everyone swiftly that saved the students' lives. A staged collision in Sosnowiec, Poland, when a train engine crashed into a bus with immense force, pushing it forward in front of many witnesses. In Cheboksary, a train car became detached and rolled through an intersection, narrowly missing a car before crashing into the locomotive. It could have caused an accident. They need to check those couplings 3 times more often.
This crash in Oklahoma wrecked 22 tankers.
776. Caralho! Vai tombar! Pô, tudo, mano!
The derailment incident in Brazil is a serious event, highlighting the potential risks when the railway system is not thoroughly inspected, posing a danger to passengers and affecting transportation.
A pedestrian waits for a freight train to pass, but suddenly, something goes wrong, and a dozen cars start tipping over away from the terrified man.
This is exactly why we test cars like this, so we can measure just how much damage is done in real-world scenarios. On November 15, 2012, a fire broke out on a train traveling between Vnukovo and Michurinets. Emergency response teams were swiftly deployed, and the situation was brought under control. However, the event serves as a stark reminder of the need for vigilance and safety measures on public transport systems.
This is the view from a train driver's cabin. The train is speeding down the tracks and a truck ahead tries to risk crossing. The driver honks, but the truck keeps going. The driver lost his equipment and trailer due to his own foolishness. Another moment where you just want to say, "Too bad trains can't turn."
Let us know in the comments which of these clips was your favorite. In the meantime, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.